Hi, I am Jagdeep, fitness trainer and sports nutrition. We will talk about 3 exercise: squats, lunges and push-up. First, we will talk about squats, how to do squats. Your leg should be parallel or slightly wider than your shoulder level. Second, your knee and toe pointing same direction. When we get down, make sure your hip is hinged like this. And you know, role of breathing is very important. When we start the rep, you have to first inhale, complete the rep, exhale. Let me show you correct position. Inhale first, go down, hip hinge, go down and up. Inhale first, chest out, hip hinge, go down and up. Go down. When getting up from this position, some muscles will going to be get involved, which is quadricep, gluteus maximus, assisted by hamstring. This is all about squats. Now we will talk about push-up. Push-up is one of the most fundamental body weight exercise. It is simple, it can be done everywhere. It is very effective because you are using lots of muscles in this exercise. Let me show you. Palm on the floor. It should be slightly wider than your shoulder. Back should be straight. Go down and up. Make sure to move your whole body along with it, like this. Not like that. Like this. In this exercise, lots of muscles are using: pectoralis major, tricep and anterior deltoid. Now we talk about lunges. This is unilateral exercise, and this exercise impact your lower body area. Let me show you how to do lunges. Bring forward your one leg, get down, put your whole body weight on it, push back with full power, like this. In this exercise, some muscles get involved, which are quadricep and gluteus group. Thank you.